Hello, it's Wednesday, March 23rd. So today we will review our accounts. Let's start with gold. So the gold is right here. So we had pretty good move today. Very decent red candle. So if we go and review positions here, so we got quite a few shorts open. So first I'm going to move this stop. So you see everything was protected except of the last one, and I think one was actually 12.25 was closed on stop. So let's find the level where we want to move the stops. Okay, so this pretty clean level. So I think if we put it 12.26, that should be fine. So I'm going here and changing to 12.26, and you see if it triggered that stop, we're gonna book almost 1200 on this position. This one 12.26 900, 12.26 here, 12.26, and this one I'll just leave it like that. If I go to order, so we have few more. So let's see if we want actually put more orders to the downside. 1200, so I suggest maybe go all the way down to 1180. So in case we continue lower tomorrow, we're probably not gonna make it past past 1180. But anyways, let's fill up those orders. So the last one is 1200, so I'm gonna put 1195, and then 1190. Okay, sell, and 1185, sell, and 1180, sell. Okay, so this is fine. Let's see on the open positions. If we get stopped out of all this, we're going to have one sold and 1, 2, 3, 4 bought. So I think that will be fine because we don't want to over leverage in case if we go break this level. I don't want to be buying because it might be just a brief sharp candle. So I think over here we might retrace up to here, and if we do, then we're gonna fill up this gap with the new sell orders, and if it comes back down, we'll re-enter those positions. But I would say 1235 would be the decent breakout point. If it breach through 1135, that would be quite bullish. So let's see here on the open positions, we have 1255, and on orders we have pretty much 1255 was the last one. So I want to put 1250 to buy, and then I want to put 1245 to buy. Actually, I found a mistake here, so let's see. 1240 and 12.35. 12.35, that's to buy, and this one is in the wrong spot, so 11.90, that should be sell. So let's see, 11.90, and it's a good practice, you know, to review every time uh, when you enter new orders, when you place this limit orders, you want to review them to make sure that nothing is wrong. So this looks good now. This looks good. So we, on the summary, we have 300 sold, 200 bought, so we negative 100, which is good. If we continue lower here, that we will get profitable. So we'll continue gaining and we'll get more positions open. So we'll be building up, but now we have good protection for all the shorts here. So tomorrow we'll actually see if we want to come back or continue, or maybe we'll stuck in the range for a few days and then decide on direction. And right now it doesn't look too awesome. It's we only like $100, $160 profitable on equity, but it's fine, and I'm glad actually market that play this way, because it's not always, you know, perfect. Sometimes we might start gaining right away and just go, or sometimes we might stuck, you know, in some range. But the good news, we didn't even break below our initial deposit, so we gained 4,000. So now if we start going opposite direction, we'll take that profit and we'll be building up on equity and on balance if we continue. So this will be growing. So this is a long-term, low-risk strategy. That's why we don't expect it to be making us 100% profit every month. So this is low risk. This is a safe, reliable code which I have, and I'm pretty confident it will work over time. So we'll just leave it alone for now, and let's go see Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. What was it? Let me find. Right here. And you see, this is just annoying, right? So I picked this pair because I like how it ranges, but actually this recent period since we opened the account was really flat, really annoying. And if we look at here, so that's an hourly chart, we just gained a little bit here, and we're just a little bit below on equity, below 100,000. So, and maybe also because we have a pretty small position size, so I didn't want, you know, to crank up the leverage for now, because I just wanted to demonstrate this in action, how we can automate it, but we can always, you know, increase the leverage. It doesn't matter, you know, we need to understand if it's profitable, if it's consistent. So that's the goal of this project. So I'm not going to touch anything here. So we see we're pretty much flat. We have some profits here. So we've got on account history, and we bleed in a lot of money because of the rollover fees. But here was we exit by stop, $7. So it's all commission which we pay. Okay, so this is looking good. No concerns here. So we'll just wait for the large move. When this starts moving big, you know, like we saw gold today, we'll start seeing some positive results. But right now it's very tight, so it's about time to break. So maybe we'll break tomorrow, maybe a couple days, but we should see something like this, you know, some big moves, and then we'll start building up and moving stops and taking those profits. So this is it for today. I wish you all the best, and we'll see you soon in the next video.